Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just a quick one in the workshop today. We got a car coming in for air conditioning not working. Obviously, as the days are starting to get longer, the weather's starting to warm up as we're heading to the back end of the year, air conditioning is going to become more and more relevant and important to your client and their car. This particular car, 2011 Subaru Forester, got a couple of common issues that occur with these particular vehicles. As they get a bit older and get a few Ks on the clock, this has got 178K on the clock, the compressor clutches, they start to wear. You get the air gap in the clutch becomes too large. So at times it won't cut in. And again, it can be temperature related as well. So as it gets warmer, the engine, it won't cut the compressor back in again. So you might get a complaint from a customer that works for a little while and then stops working. Again, they're a common issue on this one. Another common issue with this, and we've got a couple of repair solutions, is the AC compressor relay. So that's the relays in here for the air conditioning. And again, they're common as well with the contact points in them starting to arc up and not closed properly. So again, strong advice would be if you're ever replacing a compressor on a car, replace the AC compressor relay at the same time. Very small additional cost. That relay no doubt will have contact damage internally in the relay, so it would be not very happy customer if they're coming back within a short period of time after you've done a compressor replacement if you haven't replaced the actual AC compressor relay. So important, a couple of quick little tips, but don't neglect the air conditioning on your customers' cars. They do need servicing and looking after as well. So again, as these warmer months come in and we start to get those longer, warmer days, don't forget your customers' air conditioning. Don't forget, if you are a TAP member, make sure you consult the website for any repair solutions, etc., relating to different problems. As I said, we've got a couple in the system already for air conditioning on Subarus as well. So just make sure you take a note of those and see if there's anything, common issues, etc., that might be for that vehicle that you've got in your workshop today. If you're not a member and you'd like to access this information, all our repair solutions, good scope scan data, go to tap.net.au and click on the sign up now button. See you next time.